Welcome back to Laura's Life. Today I'm doing a recipe with arugula, and I got the butter in the pan. I'll be stopping and starting quite often because I'm afraid the phone will shut off. It's got barely any memory. So I'll be melting butter and I'll check in quite regularly. Alrighty. Putting in onions. I'm going to be making a soft tortilla with onions, plenty of garlic, peppers, steak and mushrooms, and cheese. Sort of like a steak and cheese salad with pepper and onions, only put into a tortilla. It's going to be good, and I'm loading up on the onions and garlic because everybody has a cold. Garlic is the superfood. Onions help too. I'll be back. I added olive oil, but I also like the buttery taste when I caramelize onions. Okay, they're sizzling away. I'm adding mushrooms today. Mushrooms are great. They remove like toxic heavy metals from your body. Not that I have any, but you never know if you're around someone who's shedding or something. So that's why I'm cooking these up. I'll be adding some peppers. Yellow, red, and orange. Cover that and let it do its thing. So next I'll be adding some nice small sandwich steak. And the trick to good sandwich steak when you're eating it in a sub or a, you know, like a burrito, you cut it against the grain. You don't cut it with the grain because it's much easier to pull apart. Ooh. When you're chewing, actually. Now let that cook. That doesn't take very long. I'm going to add the garlic last because I want it to be as potent as possible to try to knock this cold out that I have. And I put the large pieces of mushroom aside. I'm going to be making a pizza with the big ones. I'll be back. Okay, adding salt, pepper, a little cilantro, and some chili powder, and the garlic, of course. Good. Nice dollop of garlic. And the last thing before I serve it up is some Mexican blend. It's 4 cheese, and I'm going to have it nice and cheesy. So we got Monterey Jack, cheddar, asadero, queso quesadilla. Alright, and I'm going to plate it up and put arugula microgreens. So I have a nice large tortilla that I toasted. Usually you put it in the oven, you know, on low, like 200. Not for long, but yeah, it should be good. I'm putting a little bit of sour cream today. And of course, arugula. A little bit more. Okay, when you roll it up, you do take it from the bottom, and maybe I put too much stuff, but it'll be good anyway. I'll get a fork. All right, well, here goes. I just got back from work, didn't change. Just took off my work shirt. Okay. I can taste the peanutty arugula. That's a nice touch. With the cinnamon, yeah. Chili powder. My granddaughter was making recipes with cinnamon all weekend. Good for her. Alright. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe.